Greetings guys, gals, and non-binary pals. Welcome back to the Amazing Plant Project. My name's Kate, and today we're talking about this lovely plant behind me here, Mugwort. I'm gonna go into more detail on Mugwort at a later date, but right now I'm about to trim at least some of this because if you look at it, where is it? Where the base is down here has a lot of pressure from the outlying stalks, and if that's not trimmed up, then it'll just keep forcing the plant sideways. So it's not so much of an issue on this side because everything is relatively contained down there and most of the stalks are going straight up. But when any plant gets big enough and the branches or the offshoots or whatever that particular plant has get heavy enough, if it's not maintained, then it can cause damage to the plant or cause it to grow in a weird pattern, or just it's not optimal for the plant's health. So that's what I'm going to do with this guy. But I just wanted to document it because this is the tallest mugwort I have ever seen. I'm 5'5", 5'6", depending on the day. And it is about 12 feet tall. Right there. So, yeah. There's also a whole lot of bugs that seem to like it, as evidenced by the flies and ants that keep trying to bite me. So anyway, the last video's up here. Something YouTube thinks you might like is over there. My second channel is over here. That's everything but plants, basically. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. Have a fabulous day, and new videos should be up relatively daily. I'm gonna try to have them be daily, but other videos like this should be up once a week. So I'll see y'all next time. Have a good one. Bye.